Hi, this is DIY Manual. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your water kettle. As you can see, most of the kettle have a narrow mouth, so you really can't put your hand in there to clean it up. You can also use something like this, but the thing is, the cover is actually hindering you from actually doing everything you want. So, I'm going to show you an easier way to clean it using vinegar. And basically all you have to do is pour the vinegar in here and leave it for about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how much buildup you have. So the amount of mineral buildup you'll have will depend on what type of water you use for your kettle. So this one I actually use just the regular filtered water from the refrigerator. I let it build up for a month at least, so that I can show you how powerful vinegar in cleaning it. You can see over there. So build up there, okay? If you clean this every once a week, you basically just put some vinegar in it, swish it for about 1-2 minutes, and then rinse it. But today I'm gonna let the vinegar sit in here, and I'm going to do a time lapse so you can see how vinegar actually dissolves all the buildup. Let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is just pour enough vinegar at least to cover the bottom. Let's see. And basically just leave it there for half an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swish it a little because I have some buildup on the sides also. Okay, and now I'm going to put the camera into the top of the kettle so you can watch how it dissolves the buildup. And I'm going to leave it here for about 30 minutes. Okay, so this is a time lapse that shows how powerful the vinegar is in slowly dissolving the mineral buildup. You can see there's like little bubbles forming around the buildup. Also, I mentioned earlier that I'm going to just leave the vinegar for half an hour, but this time lapse actually took an hour and a half because of the buildups on the side that just wouldn't come off. At that point, I should just be able to reach it and clean it with a long brush, but I wanted to show you that the vinegar can actually remove even the stubborn spots. So if you haven't cleaned your kettle for a while, then you may want to leave the vinegar overnight, giving it time to dissolve all the mineral buildup. If you notice the change in lighting, that's because my cell phone actually ran out of battery while filming this, so I have to put in a lamp to the side of the kettle so you can see it clearly. But you can see now the buildup is almost gone. Okay, so to finish the cleaning, basically all you have to do is swish it around. Also make sure to clean the screen. This is usually a snap-on. Right now it's clear. Grab my hand, some water here. So put back the screen, the filter. And then to clean the rest, to clean the outside, just use a damp towel because remember, the base is electric, and in this particular model, the handle also have a temperature control which is also electric. Then just use a dry towel to dry it up and you're done. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and subscribe button. Thank you. So that's all there is to it. It's now clear. You can see a reflection now.